Hello and welcome to our channel Living North of Atlanta. I'm Shonna with eXp Realty, and my team and I help people just like you every single day relocate or move around in the North Atlanta area. Today we are in Woodstock, Georgia, and the community that we're visiting is called Cherokee Bluffs. It is a community of only 29 home sites. There are basement lots available as well as slab. And the sizes range from 2,900 to just over 3,500 square feet. Some are 5 bedrooms, some are 4, and 3 baths. The home that we're going to tour today is the Ellis Plan. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3,518 square feet, and it starts around $650,000. Now they do have some in the community that are in the lower 600s, but this one that we're going to tour, it starts at $649,900 actually. So before we actually go into the home, let's take a quick look around the neighborhood and see what it has to offer. So this is the street that you come into the neighborhood on. As you can see, there are some completed homes and they're already occupied, but there's several more home sites to be built. You just go right back down the hill there. It's just 29 homes. Now, we're about to go in and tour this home, but before we do, if you haven't already, make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be the first to know when we have future tours coming available. Let's go take a look. So this one that we're looking at today is sold. It's under contract. Hasn't been cleaned yet, so you kind of have to overlook some of that, but let's go in and take a look at the floor plan. Okay, so as we come in to the left, we have a bedroom. Nice and light. There is a walk-in closet and access to a hall bath here. Have a coat closet. This is your full bath with shower, subway tile all the way to the ceiling. Coming on down the hallway, this is your 2-car garage. Really a nice size. Has a little extra room in the back for storage. On the right here is a laundry room. Has a sink. That's very nice, helpful. And here to the left is a study, or you could use it as a playroom, office, whatever you need. These are the stairs that go up to 2 other bedrooms and a full bath, so we'll take a look at that in just a minute. But look at this open space here. This is amazing. Large windows. In your kitchen, your island has quartz countertops. The single bowl sink. They really have nice appliances in this home. They're made by a cafe. True vent hood. Dishwasher, of course. These are smart appliances. And there's a walk-in pantry. A coffee bar area here, and that's where your refrigerator would go. Well, this would be your dining area here with the chandelier. And then you have all of this space for your living area. There's a fireplace with built-ins on either side. We think those just got painted, so the doors are still open. Really nice yard. Let's take a quick look. Their lots range from just under a 1/3 acre to a little over a 1/2 acre. All right, and then one of the really nice features of this home is that the primary suite is on the main level. It's a really nice sized primary suite. Big windows. What I really like about this primary suite bathroom is this large soaking tub and this tile shower. It is very roomy. It is very pretty in here. And not to mention, that closet is amazing. So as we get to the top of the stairs, come into this little multi-purpose room here. It'd be really nice for kids to have a playroom area, loft, with some unfinished storage, and as well as your mechanical room. Here you have linen closet. Very nice sized bedroom with walk-in closet. Sorry, I'm walking on plastic. And another bedroom with walk-in closet and access to the bath on the hall. The bath has tile floor, subway tile around the tub shower combination. Works tops here, and this is a really cool feature here with these wooden shelves. Very nice. One thing I failed to mention, that this home has hardwoods throughout, other than those two bedrooms we just saw. They're very nice, very pretty. Well, that concludes the tour of the Ellis model here at Cherokee Bluffs in Woodstock, Georgia. If we can help you with this or any other home north of Atlanta, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email, or schedule a chat with us. All of my contact information is below. And don't forget, if you haven't already, like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon.